Hello guys, today I bring for you nice simple baby hair. Okay guys, so today don't say it's like I bring for you simple things. If you braid your baby simple things, she keeping like to plait her hair, but if you plait her that hard things like heavy hair, like braids that you put on her head, a lot of braids, you feel tired to braid her hair. But if you do look at this, it's really simple and easy. So I can give you a suggestion to plait your baby. Look at this, simple, nice. So if you plait your baby simple things, it's like to plait her hair. But if you plait her heavy things, it feels like I'm tired to plait my hair, you know. So today I bring for you beautiful, nice and simple hairstyle for kids, girls, women. So guys, you can see it's simple and easy, simple really and easy. So I think you're going to like it. Look at these braids, it's really simple. If you plait look at this. If you print your baby simple things like cornrows, simple braids, it feel like maybe in the next time I want to plait my hair. But if you plait her something heavy, it feels tired to plait her hair. Look at this, it's really simple. Today I bring, look at this, my god, it's a really simple, nice and beautiful. See this, guys. I want to you, if you support me to subscribe my channel, just you had me a lot. You had me a lot because I want this channel to grow, and I keep to share different hairstyle, not only for kids, but I keep sharing different hairstyle. Just make and drop your comment there, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And this time, look at this. It's really nice, easy, and simple. Simple. Okay, guys, look at this. It's really simple, very simple. Look at this. If you want your baby to keep plaiting her hair, and she can like to plait her hair always, you have to plait these things like simple things so that you can keep her to like to plait her hair. If you take her on salon, it's not like now you take her on braids. No, it feel like now I'm going to look good, I have to go to salon. So this is really good, simple and nice. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Guys, and I still post a lot of video, so if you want to get any video from me, just click the bell. If I post any video, just know you're going to get the notification. Bye bye for next video.